In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord mic picking all PC sounds. If your friends can hear your games, music, or every notification coming from your computer through your microphone, it usually comes down to a few misconfigured settings inside Discord. We'll walk through the exact options to change and why they matter, so your mic captures your voice clearly without leaking your desktop audio. Start by opening Discord and heading to User Settings. That's the small gear icon near your profile at the bottom. From there, go to the Voice and Video section. This is where Discord handles all your audio routing, and a couple of precise choices here make a big difference. First, set your input device to your actual physical microphone. Avoid using default. Default can jump between devices when your operating system changes something or when software adds a virtual device. Choosing your microphone by name, such as a USB mic or your headset mic, locks Discord to the correct source and prevents it from accidentally pulling in system audio from a virtual input. If you see multiple similar names, pick the one that matches your hardware brand or the port you're using. Next, set your output device to your headphones. This is essential. When audio plays through speakers, it can bounce around your room and get picked up by your microphone, making it sound like your mic is broadcasting your entire computer. Routing output to headphones keeps that sound isolated to your ears, dramatically reducing the chance of bleed through. As with the input, choose the specific device name for your headphones rather than default to avoid surprise device switching. Now turn input sensitivity to automatic. With automatic sensitivity, Discord sets a smart threshold so your mic opens when you speak and closes when you're quiet. If you previously used manual sensitivity set too low, the mic might have stayed open all the time, sweeping in every little noise, including bits of your PC audio that creep in. Automatic adjusts on the fly and helps keep background sound under control. Finally, turn echo cancellation on. This feature listens for audio that might be looping back from your output and actively removes it from your microphone signal. It's a simple toggle that often solves lingering echoes or subtle desktop audio leak, especially in rooms with reflective surfaces. That's it. With your input locked to your real mic, output set to headphones, automatic sensitivity enabled, and echo cancellation on, your voice should come through cleanly without broadcasting your PC's sounds. Thanks for watching and enjoy clearer calls and cleaner streams.